In this video, I will show you how to speed up your Android phone. Make sure to watch the video to the end. You don't make any mistake. First of all, go to settings of your phone. After you open settings, all you have to do, tap on this search bar. Search for build number. After you type build number, as you can see here, is it, tap on it. So scroll all the way to down and tap on this build number again. Tap on it 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now close the option. Scroll all the way to down and go to this system. If you come to this system, scroll all the way to down and go to developer option. Scroll all the way to down again. Scroll all the way to down until you find where it says Windows animation. As you can see here, is it. So tap on this Windows animation, change it to 5x. Go to transition animation, change it to 5x. Animation duration, change it to 5x. So by doing these settings, now your Android phone will be faster. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.